Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike from the Pipe Doctor, 516-348-6300. We are based in Valley Stream, New York. And today is October 4th. It's a Friday. Last service call of the day. Working on this Jandy JXI400NN. It has a Cooper nickel heat exchanger. We installed this last May 2018. Customer's complaint, obviously the pool is still open, but it's covered right now, as you can see. Pool's not being heated, and the error was high flue temperature. All right, he turned the power off. We're going to turn that back on. He had an error of high flue temperature. And one of the things you notice, when I first got here, I see some water around the base of the pool heater. It's dripping. And I just turned it on, and water temperature 79 degrees. It's set for 92, and I hear some gurgling in there. Something's not right. So I already know what's wrong. I'm going to show you. Excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed. This is the gas valve and draft fan. As you can see, there is water dripping from that. So the heat exchanger has failed, and it's leaking into the draft fan. Now, normally you would blame this on water chemistry, what have you, but it's not. Water chemistry is perfectly fine. It's always been maintained on a weekly basis. There's a weekly service that comes in. The pH, alkalinity, everything is always balanced perfectly. Hardness, everything. But unfortunately, this JXI400, it needs a new heat exchanger. And the sad part is that Jandy's warranty is only 1 year. 1 year. Can you believe that? You know what? I've been a fan of Jandy for quite some time, but it's upsetting. You know, how do I tell a client who invested a lot of money in this pool heater a year and a half ago that they're going to spend, about $1,000 in labor taking this thing apart and putting it back together, and plus, a new heat exchanger. It's more cost effective to go out and buy a brand new one. Seriously. And that's what's going to happen on Monday. New unit has been ordered, and we will swap out this JXI400NN with a JXI400N instead. It's cheaper. And obviously, hopefully, Jandy's watching this. It's upsetting. You have all this Jandy equipment here. Look, there's the Fusion Pro. There's their DE filter. Everything is Jandy, except that Pentair booster pump for the cleaner. But you have the VS Flow Pro there. He's got the cover pools, also by Jandy, the automatic pool cover. You have a client who invested probably with the cover, probably about $25,000, $30,000 a year in equipment, and a year and a half later it fails. Pretty pathetic. Jandy, if you're watching this, you should man up, and let's take care of this mutual client, make them happy, because they're not happy right now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a pool heater, if it's Jandy, Hayward, Pentair, whether it's gas or heat pump, we service them, we repair them, and we install them. Thanks for watching.